These are Gotman containers, and they're food storage containers that are absolutely brilliantly done. They're super easy to snap open the lids and pop them open. They can go from the freezer to the microwave to the dishwasher. So absolutely completely versatile. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. Now you can store all kinds of foods in here. You can store anything you want. But the benefit about storing foods in there is that these containers are airtight. Now, I'm big on juicing. I do a lot of juicing, but my biggest pain is prepping my juices, prepping the ingredients for the juices. So what's great about this is I can just put these in, it's ready to go. I can just pull the different containers out and grab my apples, grab my carrots, grab my beets and whatever. And my other little trick, you notice that I was squeezing some lime in here. When you squeeze lime on apples that and put it in the fridge, that'll stop them from turning brown, and it gives them a kind of a nice little tangy flavor too. So and I shook it around, shaking that around in there. So these will still look good tomorrow, which is fantastic. So then I can get all of my meal prepping done ahead of time. And when you're prepared, well, I know when I'm prepared, I tend to eat better. So, great little food can also for leftovers as well. So great little storage container here and fantastic little company. Brilliant, brilliantly done.